In this 58th video of FreeCAD series, we will be talking about Additive Box. The Additive Box let us create these analytical shapes inside FreeCAD with ease. And before we proceed further, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing Engineering Pritham, as in this channel we cover various engineering topics. Alright, so now let's come back to the topic here, which is Additive Box. And here you can see I am in part design environment, and then we have created a new part. Now let me hit here on this Additive Box and let's select it. Once we select here, we can see preview of it. Now here it is asking us to select the reference, and let me actually pick one reference here. Okay, so let's say YZ plane. So once you select, you're going to see the attachment reference being listed here. Now sometime what happen is when we select these reference, it doesn't get selected properly. So we sometimes need to be very careful selecting these options. So seems like there is one reference that is good enough. And now here we have option to customize this. So let's say if I would like to move it in X direction, I think I am able to do that. If I want to move it in Y direction, I can do that. Now let's move this to the Z direction. We also can do that. All right. Now, apart from, simply making it go X and Y, we also have option to make it large or small in any particular side. Okay. Here I can increase the width. I also can increase the height of it and so on. Now, additional to changing height, length and width, and of course, moving it in these three directions, we also have option to place it in certain degree. For example, here you can see I just changed the value of X, and now we can see in preview what change or effect it will make into this part. Okay, so similarly, we can do editing in Y axis as well as Z axis. After making the necessary change, we can hit OK. And that's how, guys, we have created one basic analytical shapes using this particular tool. Now, it's not only we can select Additive Box, we can select anything. For example, editing sphere. Now here I can define the dimension. I also can define the U and V parameter. So that's how, guys, we can create Additive Box, Additive Cylinder, Additive Sphere, and all these additive very easily inside FreeCAD. Hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritham. And if by the way you already have selected our previous channel, please show us support in this channel as well. And of course, let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.